In this video, we will talk about employer contribution payheads like employer EPS, employer EPF, and employer contribution towards ESI. We will first talk about employer EPS contribution, and the name of this payhead is as follows: employer EPS at 8.33%, and the payhead type now it would be employer statutory contribution. Earlier, for employee deductions, we selected the payhead type as employee statutory deduction. When we talk about employer's contribution, we select the option employer's statutory contribution. And EPS is reported in EPS account number 10, so select that option in the field statutory pay type. And any contributions are expense to the organization, so you can select the group over here as either direct expenses or indirect expenses. And employer contribution do not have any impact on the net payable salary of an employee, so we will set this option as no over here. And calculation type and calculation period would be selected by default, and the rounding method which I specified is normal rounding with a rounding limit of 1. Now employer EPS at 8.33 is calculated on basic, so we will specify the formula to calculate EPS on basic by selecting the basic payhead over here, and then we specify the limit that basic amount up to 15,000 will have EPS calculated at a percentage of 8.33. So we need to specify the limit over here in the field amount up to, and in the amount greater than field we need not to specify any amount. So once you specify the upper limit and specify the percentage, because amounts up to 15,000 will have EPS calculated by percentage, and for amounts which are greater than 15,000 we specify that a flat rate of 1,250, which is the limit specified by the government, would be charged towards EPS. So whenever the basic of an employee is above 15,000, employer contribution by default is set by value, not by percentage, as 1,250 rupees, and then save the payhead creation. Alright, now let's talk about creation of payhead for employer contribution towards PF at 3.67%. And this payhead is employer statutory contribution, and we report PF contribution in account number 1. So specify the option over here as PF account number 1 for the field statutory pay type. And any contribution are expense to the organization, and this payhead do not have any impact on the net salary, so set this option to no. And the rounding method which I specified over here is normal rounding with a rounding limit of 1. And we calculate PF by specifying a formula, and that formula is that out of 12% of basic, if we deduct 8.33% of basic, we arrive at 3.67% of basic, which would again be employer PF contribution amount. So what we do here is we need to add the PF calculation payhead at 12%, from which we select the option subtract over here, and subtract the payhead which calculates PF at 8.33%, so that we arrive at the PF amount at 3.67%, and we want 100% of this payhead value to be calculated. So specify the percentage over here as 100 and save the payhead creation. Alright, now let's talk about the last contribution payhead, which is employer ESI at 3.25%, and these are employer statutory contributions towards employee state insurance, which are expense to the organization, and it do not have any impact on the net salary of an employee, and the rounding method which I specified is normal rounding with the rounding limit of 1, and we calculate ESI on total of earnings. So we added all the earning payheads like basic, HRA, conveyance and overtime, which would form the gross salary of an employee. So we calculate contribution on the gross salary, and we calculate ESI with the percentage of 3.25%, and for the fields amount greater than and amount up to, we would not be able to specify the limit of gross salary of 21,000. That would be selected by Tally by default, so Tally knows what is the limit, so we need not to specify that limit over here, and we would not be also able to specify directly. Your cursor will jump to the percentage field, so you need to specify the percentage value over here as 3.25% and then save the payhead creation. So at this point we are done with creation of all the employer contribution payheads, and now we will create a payhead towards PF admin charge and EDLI at 0.5%.